What I've learned over the years is I focus on you, your mental health, right? That's really big post COVID. Mental health is extremely important. And I'm chilled in the car. I love cars. I love motors, performance. I like teaching the online portion. In person is nice too, but from where I am, online fits. Colleges, you can get your whole degree online. You can finish high school online. You can start a business online. So we don't have to be in person. This fits us better. We log in, we do our Zoom or Google Meets. It really depends on the instructor. If the instructor has videos ready to go, uh, digital games ready to go. What's up? What's up? How you doing, Alex? Um, if you have activities ready to go, you can just slide right in. So online classes are nothing new, right? It's nothing new. I took my first principal class online. Everything was there. So this is nothing new, and you can learn to take anything online. You just missed that connection piece with the instructor, or it could be a hybrid class. We have class 3 days a week, then we meet for two. That could be something in the future, but and also availability of a high school classroom or a community college or a church. Remember, driving schools have to pay rent. They have to have an agreement at the facility here. There's no overhead. We just have a Zoom code. It's shared among us. No strangers can come in. That's very scary for you as a beginning driver because it's dark. Sometimes the headlights in the driver's seat car are not really bright. The cars are usually 5 years old, 10 years old, 12 years old, so they don't have the greatest headlights. And in our area, a lot of the pavement markings are not really clear. So you're kind of constantly trying to keep the car from going off the road, which is scary. You have a difficult time seeing. So you drive very nervous, very cautious, very scary. And then this triggers other people to be angry at us because you're just trying to learn. You're driving at night. You can't see. You got two other people in the back who might be judging you, but they're not, who might be laughing at you, but they're not. And you got an instructor who, if I say the wrong thing or if I'm mean to you, you're going to flip out. So what I've learned, and I'm honest, some of my students say, I can't drive with her. It was terrible. And they tell me the truth. So I have to honor that. Safety's no accident. And I've learned to be honest. If you're struggling, I'm going to tell you. And I'll have that honest talk with your parents.